What's up everybody, my name is Injix and welcome to a green hell video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to start a fire. Now the fire is really essential, and I apologize if my friend is going to be snoring in the background because he's passed out drunk and it's 4 AM, and yes, I am making a video at 4 AM. So please enjoy this video, please let it help you make a fire. You know, I am not drunk anymore, but who the fuck cares, and let's get into the video, mates. Okay everybody, so we're in the game now. Actually, my friend kind of stopped snoring now, so it's okay, I guess. I was still a little hungover, so please be patient because I'm a little fucked up. Since it's like 4 AM and everything, like, you know. So basically what you're gonna want to do first is build a shelter like this, or something like that. So just like, you know, with a roof. So you so that the rain doesn't go on your like stuff, right? So it doesn't extinguish the fire. Please apologize my shitty English because I'm not a native and it's 4 fucking AM and I'm drunk, so like, you know. Then you're gonna wanna go like into notebook and place a fire, like just like that. And you're gonna need small sticks. I think I have some. I don't have all of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, gonna harvest it. Yeah, mate. Okay, let's go. So I have 2 more. Yeah, okay, that's enough. So now we're gonna need bigger sticks. I have 4, so I can just insert them. And I'm gonna need more, so I'm just gonna go gather some. And you can really just find these on the floor, or you can chop down a tree with like a knife or something. Over like a stone as well. Right, so now we have the fire, guys. Okay, that's awesome. So now we're gonna wanna make, you know, start the fire somehow. So you're gonna need like a fire start, like a hand drill, right? So you're gonna go into a crafting thing, you're gonna put down a plank or like large stick, and you're gonna take a smaller stick. Oh my god, a capybara, dude. Like, wait, hold up. Yo. Oh, fuck you, bitch. Ah, well, never mind. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a big stick and a small stick, and that's gonna make your hand drill. And you're gonna use that hand drill, you're gonna use it just like that, and you can either use a bird's nest or dry leaves, and you can find these all around the jungle on trees. You're gonna see them, that they're dry, and you can just chop that down, and you can have like embers, right? And you're gonna press E and that's done. So I have like this extra hand drill. I'm just gonna put that like here. Right, and so now we have the fire, and so basically what you're gonna need to do is like feed the fire like as it goes along. So this is like nice and grey right now, nice and dark, but it's gonna get like whiter. It's gonna be really white. It's gonna be like, it's gonna fill itself, and that's when you know that the fire's going out. And you have like 2 slots here, so you can cook your food as well. And now I can hear thunder, so that's really good that I made this like shelter before. And that's why you're gonna have to make the shelter first. And you can also do this in like a notebook. It's like right here, you have like the frames, and then you have like, if you go to the right, you have like roofs. So that's basically it. And as you can see, it's like raining, so it's like a perfect demonstration. And it's not raining on my fire, so that's great. So if I didn't make this shelter, the fire would just be gone. Be gone, fuck! So yeah guys, I hope you have enjoyed this really shitty fucking video that I'm making drunk at 4 AM with my my friend snoring in the background. So thank you guys for actually literally watching this. And if you've watched it here, just like, you know, drop a nice "Eric, please wake up" in the comments. That would be fucking lovely, guys. Okay, I love you. I especially love you, like those guys that just stuck with me, even though I haven't uploaded in like a whole fucking year. It's really random that I'm making a video at 4 AM, dude. But I know it's weird, but like, thanks for being here, you know. And I love you guys. Please stick to the channel. If you like my content, there's gonna be like a lot more, probably like more quality stuff, because I'm usually not gonna be recording this like early in the morning. But yeah, I love you guys. drop a like, drop a subscribe button. Oh, fucking hell, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Just you know, just love me, guys. Okay. Well, have a nice day, and goodbye, lads. I love you all.